Hallo, hier bin ich. Was für ein schöner Tag. Was für eine schöne Landschaft. Yeah, this sentence, was für ein schöner Tag, was für eine schöne Landschaft, this leads me to today's topic, which is the adjectives, the endings. Why do you have to say ein schöner Tag, eine schöne Landschaft? Well, you know that the adjectives, where normally when you learn the adjectives, you just learn the word schön, laut, leise, gut, kalt, heiß. Why do I have to say was für ein schöner Tag? Or was für eine schöne Landschaft? Why do you have to change the ending of the adjectives? And why do you have to learn schön, kalt, heiß, and then you have to change? Well, schön, heiß, kalt, leise, laut, it's when you just say a simple sentence, das ist schön, das ist kalt, das Auto ist schnell, meine Frau ist schön, ich bin alt. But when you combine it with ein, a beautiful dog, a beautiful landscape, then you have to know which article has Landschaft or Tag. Tag, I guess you know, der Tag, Landschaft, die Landschaft. Let's take with das a word, das Auto. And the ending of the article, der, die, das, the R, the S, and the E. If you use it with a whole sentence, like a beautiful day, or what a beautiful day, then you have to know which article the noun has, and then you have to use the ending of this article. You have to add it at the adjectives. Let's see. Was für ein schöner Tag, because I used ein. Then I know schön, I have to add from the der article, the er, I have to add to the adjective, because Tag is der Tag. So, was für ein schöner Tag. If I know die Landschaft, it's schön, and I add the E of die, so was für eine schöne Landschaft. Or if I have das Auto, then I say was für ein schönes Auto. So, summarizing, if you learn an adjective, voll, leer, schnell, langsam, gut, schlecht, you have to know that normally in a normal sentence you're always using I need a new car. So a new car. Then you know, oh, ein, you have to use ein or eine. Then there is no der, die, das anymore if you use eine or eine, but the der, die, das is hidden in the ending of the adjective. So let's have a look. If I have die Tasse, and I want to say it's an empty cup, so I say eine leere Tasse. Just to repeat, if you have female words with die Tasse, die Frau, then if you want to say a woman, a cup, then you say eine Tasse, eine Frau. If you have der or das, like der Tag, das Auto, then you say ein Tag, ein Auto. So you only decide between ein and eine, but maybe you already know that. It was just to repeat, to remind you, euch daran nochmal zu erinnern, das aufzufrischen. Okay, so if I have die Tasse, you know it's eine Tasse. But then if I want to give this cup a quality, an adjective, which is empty, I know empty is leer, and I say eine leere Tasse. And it's logical because it sounds eine leere Tasse. Okay, let's make this exercise a little bit. I will show you the things. I will give you an adjective and I will really help you. We're gonna make it easy. I will give you the article too. It's die Kirche. And let's try with alt. So a old church. Und das nächste. Und jetzt machen wir ein bisschen so eine Runde, okay? So, if you have das word, you have to use, I will give you the example with schön, schönes. If you have a die word, schöne. And if you have a der word, a male word, schöner. Please remember, my pronunciation, German, they do not pronounce schöner, especially because the rolling R is not the specialty of the German. So you say schöner. So if you always hear it's not the lady there in the bed having sex. It's just me pronouncing the ER at the end as a ein schöner Tag. Okay, so, jetzt aber beginnen wir wirklich, ja? Das Brot gut. Das Auto alt. Die Karaffe voll. Das Boot klein. Die Stadt groß. Der Löffel schmutzig. If you do not remember the adjectives, just don't care about now because it's only important to get the feeling. Schmutzig is dirty, but maybe it's even better not to know the meaning because so you can focus on the system of the ending. Okay, wir machen weiter. Die Gabel sauber. Das Flugzeug schnell. Der Hund dick. Die Uhr teuer. That's a little bit tricky. Eine teure Uhr. Der Pullover gelb. Das Radio laut. Well, that's easy, this exercise, right? So, just to summarize, if you know the adjective interessant and you want to say it's an interesting book, so first step, erster Schritt, Buch, das Buch, es, so ein interessantes Buch. So maybe you're asking yourself, what do I have to do if I do not use ein or eine, if I really use the article der, die, das, and I want to say the interesting book? Pipifax, we call it. We say it in German. That's easy, a piece of cake. Das ist Pipifax. because you just have die Tasse. If you want to say it's empty, you know the word leer. And it's always die leere Tasse. Leere. Huh? If the bread is good, das Brot. Das gute Brot. And let's take a word with der. Löffel, der Löffel. If the spoon is dirty, der schmutzige Löffel. So, if you are using an adjective together with der, die, das, this article, mit dem bestimmten Artikel, as we say in German, then it's just you add the e. Huh? Also, die schöne Landschaft, der schöne Tag, der verrückte Lehrer, manchmal. No. Okay, the next video related to this topic, it's a short video because there's something missing. If you are still beginner, do not watch it. If you already have heard about the accusative, then I recommend you the following video in which I will explain how to use the system with accusative. It's easy. Das ist leicht. Das kann ich jetzt schon sagen. Okay. Hört ihr die Glocken? Huh? So, das war's für mich heute. Wir werden uns sicherlich wiedersehen. Ich weiß jetzt nicht, ob hier, ob in München, in einem Raum. Oder vielleicht am Strand, on the beach. Lasst euch überraschen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.